Are you ready to challenge your English skills? A1, A2 level. What is the opposite of cold?
B. Warm.
How do you spell this word?
C.
Beautiful. What time is it? A. 3:30. Which sentence is correct?
D. She can sing.
What is the plural form of child? A. Children. Choose the correct verb form.
D. Go.
Which word is a fruit?
C. Apple.
Choose the correct preposition. A. On. Which word rhymes with hat? C.
Pat.
Choose the correct sentence. A. He is a doctor. What is the past tense of go? C. Went. It is raining. What is the weather like? D. Rainy. Choose the correct word. B. Listening. Which sentence uses there is correctly? B. There is a book on the table. Choose the correct article. A. An umbrella. What is the opposite of happy? B.
Sad.
Which word is spelled correctly? D. Because. Which question is correct? B. What time do you have lunch? Where is the stress in banana? C. Second syllable. What does stand up mean? A. Get up. Well done! Remember, the more you practice, the better you get.